Okay, this is the Virco Glide. As you can see, it's a much thicker based nylon on it, and we have a cap that will work on this both in Teflon and in felt. And you just simply snap it on, spin it, snap it again, pops right on. That baby's not coming off. We also have it in a Teflon base, which works great on carpeting and does not snag on carpet squares, and also works very well on rubber flooring. I have found when you put these things on, because they're as slippery as they are, you almost need to take just one of those rubber thumb things that you see people use for counting money or whatever. They're really cheap, and you just pop it on like that. It grabs it and just works a little stickier, so it grabs the Teflon.